So this hostel that I booked into last night, I actually decided to stay another night, give the body a rest before we head to San Pedro. And this is in the hood, dude. I'm pretty sure I heard gunshots last night. There was a lot of action, there was a lot of sirens, and even this morning. I don't know what that is up over there. It looks like a prison, man. It's got like 25-30 meter razor wire all the way up it. Anyway, off to the supermarket to get some eggs. There's a lot of migrants here. I guess I'm a migrant in Chile as well. So I found the supermarket yesterday. It's up here around the corner, and in the street, man, there was some dudes fighting. There was outside one of the bars, it looked like a whole lot of escorts hanging out ready for action, and it was busy, man. Anyway, I look like walking up the street here. I probably won't do this in the afternoon with the phone. Definitely look like a gringo who just is begging to be robbed. So I guess in a straight line, like really, we're only friggin' couple hours drive to Bolivia, and actually Argentina as well, top end Argentina. But a lot of these migrants here look like Colombianos or from Venezuela. Anyway, nothing like good action. Next time I bring my GoPro, it's a little less visible. Holding my phone up like. But what I want to do, I want to walk around the block, and I want to see what that building is with a 30 meter razor wire fence around it. So over there is the Carabineros, or one prefect anyway. And down here I just got my first evidence that this is a prison. I don't know, in New Zealand we say paddy wagon, but it's the wagon of the Gendarmeria, which I like. I'm pretty sure they like the prison guards. There's always big dudes as well. Yeah, that's a prison over there. And there's a few visitors waiting to get in by the looks. That's a prison over there. Up the top there, I don't know, I can't even see, I haven't got my glasses. That must be the yard. There's razor wire all around the place, but ain't no climbing out of that yard, is there? It's crazy. And that there is right across the road from where I'm staying in my hostel. I'm not just up that street, down there a little bit. There it is up there, watchtower baby. And look, I'm staying right here. And there was some action last night, man. There was lots of noise, sirens, sounded like gunfire. Awesome. Hey, it's amazing the change in energy when you walk away from where I'm staying. It's quite a nice plaza here. Might have just kicked off 1 or 2 o'clock or whatever. The bells are ringing on the cathedral over there. So I worked out what the gunshot sounds were from the hostel, because as I was walking out the hostel door to come here, it was kicking off again, and it's obviously the fights break out in the yard at the prison, and the guards or whatever are letting loose rubber bullets. Pow, pow, pow. Pow, pow, pow. And you hear a bit of screaming. It's like a friggin' movie set, man. It's unreal. Bit of action in the hood. She's warming up here. It was cold this morning. I got camping up in San Pedro. Well, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. My initial idea is to go camping up there. In the town somewhere where there's a few spots, but we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'm getting too old for that, eh? And I can get another hostel. I don't mind sleeping on the ground, but I do it all the time. But here we are. I still haven't made my mind up yet whether I'm going to box the bike up and cycle back. Probably the way I came, I don't know. I've decided I'm not going to cycle from Paine back to Barquidano through the middle of the desert. It's 2 days riding, 200 kilometers, and I don't have the capacity to carry the weight. Like my bike, it's a good new strong bike, but I probably haven't got the rims set up and the tyres set up to carry the extra weight. And it was the last place I'd probably want to have a blowout and a bent rim. I can just see it happening. I might take the smart option and box it up in San Pedro and bus it back to the airport and then fly home. Or I could just bike back the way I came, but I mean, I've just done it. I would have done it, so why would I want to do it again? I guess I've got the time, but we'll see anyway when I'm there. I might spend a couple extra days seeing the sights there and then just box it and take the bus. So just over there is the prison, and it's some type of prison anyway, and it kicked off all night over here. It's crazy. You can even hear it now. Well, I don't know if you can, but I can. I'm not going to stand here all night though. I thought shots to be fired, but I would like to. You could hear it last night. It sounded like a war zone. Got a night in the middle of nowhere, bro. 3,300 meters, it's going to be cold. But I hit the wall, couldn't hit my target. So I pitched the tent, that was it. Over there, probably through that gap through there is where I wanted to get to. And it's literally only another 7 kilometers, but I was just out. I just couldn't make it. So tomorrow morning I've got to do that 7 plus 30 more down to San Pedro.